Well, good Saturday morning. If anybody knows Noah's number, you might want to get him on the phone and have him on standby because I think we may need the ark. I'm up here in the panhandle of Texas. It's been raining for about the last 7.5, 8 hours straight. Some of this crazy weather. I'm about to post up a small sample of the video so you can see what's coming in the near future. I'm going to put out lots of content, a series of content from all around the United States. Some of the most beautiful places, some of the most treacherous places, some places you probably didn't even know existed over the next couple of weeks. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hopefully you find something that keeps you coming back, and if you are a returning visitor, well, I want to thank you for being so resilient and coming back again. I'm Sean Havlin, owner of North American Trucking, and as I said, we're going to put out some content in the series of different locations around the country. If you have any suggestions that you'd like, feel free to throw them down there in the comments. But most importantly, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I'm running my mouth. You never know what you might hear. I even have a little fun doing it. So, again, y'all take care. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. And